All right, now we're doing 8Q. How much water do I need? This is by Man on a Coding Mission, and 60% of the people like it. I went to the discussion thing, wherever it is, like right down here. People just don't understand what's written down, but in my opinion, and this is just my opinion, the harder it is to understand, the more realistic it is in real life, because people are customers, clientele, are very bad at explaining things. Anyway, regardless of anything, let's start. My washing machine uses amount of water to wash clothes, amount of clothes. We are given a load in JavaScript and Python, or max load amount of clothes to wash. For each single item of load above the standard amount of clothes, the washing machine will use 10% more water. Multiplicative to clean. For example, if the amount of clothes is 10, the amount of water it requires is 5, and the load is 14, then you need this right here, which is basically exactly what we're going to use, which is water times 1.1 to the clothes minus load power amount of water, So I don't know what the problem is. Anyway, write a function, how much water, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, how much water, to work out how much water is needed if you have clothes amount of clothes. The function will accept three parameters, these three parameters. My washing machine is an old model that can only handle double the amount of load, or max load, if the amount of clothes is more than 2 times the standard amount of load. Max load, return. If the amount of clothes is more than 2 times the standard amount of load, return too much clothes. The washing machine also cannot handle any amount of clothes less than the load. If this is the case, return not enough clothes. The answer should be rounded to the nearest 2 decimal places. I think we have everything we need here, personally. But whatever, people like to complain. So let's set up shop over here real quick. And in this one, we're just going to use ternary operators, and we're also going to use toFixed method, and we're also going to use the unary plus. So let's take care of the ternary operation first. All right. So first things first, we've got this 2 times thing, and also it can't handle anything less than a load. So if clothes is less than load, we're going to say not enough clothes. All right. And then also if clothes is more than 2 times load, we're going to say too much clothes. And then I'm just going to put this down here just for now. And then if not, we're going to use this right here. So we're going to say water times 1.1 to the, clothes minus load power. And then we're going to have to wrap it up, because we have to get 2 decimal places. We're going to have to wrap it up in a toFixed method. So the toFixed method formats a number using fixed point notation. So right here it says toFixed to anything, so they're going to make it all 2 behind the decimal and round it up or down depending. And here's the syntax: it's toFixed and then the digits that you want to get rounded to. But the thing is, whenever it doesn't say it, but whenever it comes out, it's always in a string. Where does it say? A string. Okay, the return value is always a string. So that's why we're going to have to use this unary plus also, which the unary plus operator precedes its operand and evaluates to its operand, but attempts to convert it to a number if it isn't already. All right. So that's what we're going to do here. Let's just wrap it up in some parentheses. Let's put the unary plus at the front, and at the back, let's put .toFixed and 2 right there. I'm going to drag this back up because I've got some sort of obsession with wanting it to be one line. And let's cross our fingers. Let's see. All right, good, excellent. All right, attempt it. Looks like it works. All right, submit it. I'm very liking this. I don't care what 40% of the people say, because they're wrong. Just kidding. Not kidding. Anyway, my solution, just me, best practice in my opinion, and we'll see you next time.